Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with BlockFi tax forms replacement step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the BlockFi official website. Look for the login option at the top right corner of the home page. Enter your email address and password to access your account. Once logged in, locate the Account tab in the main menu. Click on Account to access your account settings. On the Account Settings page, find the Tax Documents section. Click on the Tax Documents link. You will see a list of available documents for previous tax years. Identify the specific tax form you need to replace. If you notice the form is incorrect, look for the Request Replacement option. Click on Request Replacement to initiate the process. Fill in the required fields in the replacement request form. Ensure all information is accurate before submitting. After submission, you should receive a confirmation email. Check your email for updates on the status of your request. Once the replacement form is generated, download it from your account. Make sure to review the new document for any discrepancies. If everything looks correct, keep a copy for your records. If you encounter any issues, contact BlockFi support for assistance. Follow any additional instructions provided by support as needed. Now you have successfully registered for a BlockFi tax forms replacement. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.